Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. If you can't tell, I am in the Halloween spirit already. And today I'm going to show you how to make mummy, like their little pies. I make it with like a cream cheese and pumpkin stuffing thing. Not stuffing, filling. But you can make it like with apples, whatever you want, whatever filling you like. I'm just kind of sharing the concept with you as far as like what they're going to look like. They're literally so easy, and the good thing is you could do those with do this with little kiddos. I don't know why I can't talk. So I hope you guys enjoy the recipe, and yeah, enjoy. Happy Halloween.
Here's the thing that I got on my mind: how the world's making people go blind. Solitary, ordinary, don't sit well with my gut. It's a shame